Welcome to the pursuit of a transformative year, 2024. It's that time again when resolutions are set, aspirations are high, and the promise of a new chapter looms. But amidst the hopes and ambitions lies an inconvenient truth. The overwhelming majority of us will fall short of our yearly aspirations. In this journey towards making 2024 the pinnacle of our lives, we'll explore the challenges, the formidable distractions, and the decisions that stand between our resolutions and their fulfillment. Join us as we dissect the reality behind making this year truly remarkable, despite the odds stacked against us. All right, so here are your New Year's resolutions. You want to earn $100,000 online, aim for a six-pack at the gym, and commit to daily meditation. But here's the truth. Only 9% of individuals actually achieve their resolutions. Let's face the seriousness of this situation together. You're hopeful that 2024 will be your year, but chances are it won't be. And here's why, and it's not your fault. If you want to beat the odds and make 2024 your year, make sure you don't miss out on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for our channel, Finance Ishani. It's time to take control of your financial future. There's an ongoing battle for your time. Numerous multi-billion-dollar companies are vying for your attention. They won't cease until every second of your time is devoted to their platforms. Nothing on their apps is coincidental. Everything is meticulously designed. These billions are invested to attain one thing, your attention. But here's the thing. You have a finite amount of focus and attention to give. Research published in Science magazine reveals that we spend nearly 46.9% of our days distracted from essential tasks due to an inability to focus. That's almost half of your day gone to distractions. How often have you picked up your phone for a moment and ended up hours deep into scrolling through social media? That's their control over you. On average, people spend 30% more time on their phones today, totaling 4 hours and 12 minutes daily. Let's put this into perspective. In just a few years, screen time has surged from claiming 12% of your day in 2019 to over 17.5% today. If you continue, you'll spend more than a third of your life glued to a screen. Is this what you aspire to be excellent at? Do you want to be known for sharing the best memes? Now ask yourself, what's tangibly different to make 2024 your pivotal year? Every year, you promise yourself it'll be your year, yet it never quite materializes. You're not just letting yourself down, you're disappointing everyone around you. So are you going to be part of the 91% that consistently falls short, or will you join me in making 2024 truly count? The choice is yours. As we draw to a close, remember that the journey towards a remarkable 2024 is not solely defined by the resolutions we set, but by the deliberate actions we take each day. It's about reclaiming our focus, seizing control of our time, and making intentional choices that align with our aspirations. Let's step forward, equipped with awareness and determination, knowing that each decision shapes the narrative